In our Department of Health and Movement Science, we basically have two majors that you can attain. One is in allied health. That is going into healthcare. You can take some different tracks in that, depending on if you want to come out of Graceland and work in an area of health and wellness, strength and conditioning, personal training, or if you want to go on to graduate school and go into more of a pre-professional program such as athletic training, physical therapy, chiropractic, pre-medicine. We can prepare you for that. There's also the other side, which is physical education and health education, where if you want to be a teacher, you want to be a coach, we have the schooling and we have the professors that can help you achieve that goal.
We do a lot of hands-on learning. We start hands-on stuff first try. You want to be able to actually touch and start to think about what muscle is this and can you visualize it on a person. Our faculty are all clinical faculty. So my background's as a chiropractor, our other faculty members are as athletic trainers, so it's not just the book smarts that you get to pass the exam, it's the actual hands-on clinical side of how am I going to apply this in 4 years? How am I going to apply this once I get out of grad school in 7 years? With us being in the clinical setting, we have a clinical reach that we can really pair you with the best resource possible. So if it's PT, if it's chiropractic, if it's athletic training, we have some former graduates who are with professional teams. So it's just that connection, it's that surrounding, it really is not only a GU network, but it's the network that we've brought in to really just further the whole resources for the students.